All right, folks, got a 2017 320i. I'm going to change the air filter. Going to use this AutoZone STP SA11305. Air filter is found in here. All right, we got to take the top of the air filter housing out. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4 clips. You got to take the clamp off for that hose over here. Okay, you can leave this plugged in, that'll be fine. You can unplug it if you feel that you're going to break it, but there's plenty of room there. All right, and then there's 3 grommets. 1, 2, and 3. What that does is that just lifts up and pops out of the way. All right, so let's see. So I can set you up here so we can see. All right, I'm set you up over here so we can see. What you're going to do here is take a screwdriver, take this little clamp off here. All right, you should spin it enough so that's loose. Take your 4 clips. All right, so it's 1. Ouch. Might need a screwdriver to pop them out. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. After the 4, this panel should lift up. There's little rubber grommets. You might need a little screwdriver in here just to prime up a little bit. Okay. Right now it's 50 degrees out, so it's a little warm. Otherwise, when it's cold, that's going to be a little bit of a problem lifting. So, basically, you just want to pry it up, and the whole panel will come out. Okay. Dun, dun, dun. Sometimes it'll come out with the grommet. Sometimes grommet would stay. So this one, the grommet stayed on here. Okay, grommet stayed on here, and the grommet stayed on there. All right, so it comes off the hose over here, as you can tell. I'm gonna flip it up out of the way. I'm gonna take the air filter out. Right here. This is a Mali air filter. Yeah, it looks pretty dirty in there. You can spread them open, and you can see the dirt even more. All right, so toss that. Take the new air filter. Nice and clean. Look in the housing, make sure there's no dirt in it. If it looks clean, just take the filter. Falls right in. Like that. Okay, just remember that this housing floats. Okay, so when you go to put the 2 halves together, you might have to lift this up in order to sandwich it together. Okay, I'll put it over here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this grommet off of here, this body, and I'll stick it back into this housing, because it'll make it easier on the way back in. All right, so I'm going to go over here. I'm going to line up the little holes so they fit kind of perfectly. Okay, then I'm going to line up the hose so that that will go in perfectly. Okay, now I'm going to push it in. Whoops. Punched it and you guys were falling over. All right, so that's in, that's in, that's in. What I'm going to do is I'm going to lift this hose up. That's secure. So I'm going to tighten this up. This clamp will roll on you, so you can just lift it up a little bit further. Before you fully tighten it, just make sure it's all the way up and it's in. Nice and secure. Okay. Put the screwdriver far away, because last time I used to leave it in here, then you forget that you're missing a screwdriver. All right, so like I said, these clips here, it's not going to reach because the bottom housing fell in. So what you want to do is just want to lift it up a little bit. It'll fall into right into it. That's a toughie. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna loosen up that hose. I think the hose is giving it tension, pulling it down. loosen that a little bit. Plus, new filters are always tight. Okay. Squeeze it up a little bit. Again. Once you get the first clip on, the other one should fall right in. I hate new filters on these particular models. I really do. Come on, boys and girls. Fit right in there. Come on. You can hear it. Always giving a hard time. There you go. That's one. That's two. I think it's easy, huh, guys? Sometimes it's not that easy. Might need a screwdriver just to hold this panel up a little bit. So, do this. Three. I said, new filters are always tighter, people. There you go. That's that. That is that. And we'll tighten this up. Now you know why they charge you so much for changing their filters. It's all labor, people. All labor. All right. So hose clamps. 3 grommets are on. 4 clips are in. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. There is your air filter. Thanks for watching. Ciao.